cannot believe this. We've got 17,300 of you and 1,100 plus views. Oh my goodness. Hello, welcome or welcome back to the channel. For all my subscribers who have been with me and are still with me, thank you so much for staying tuned. I know it's been more than a minute. It's been a long time since I posted anything, and I'm going to explain a bit in this video. And if you're new to the channel, I'm Vanessa. I do beaded related tutorials on this channel. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, share the video. And today's video is more of an update than anything else. Like I said, it's been a very long time since I've done anything on this channel, video wise, tutorial wise, and whatnot. And I just want to explain, and I also want to apologize for not responding to most of y'all's comments, and I'm going to explain why. So honestly, I've been working a lot and it's been taking up a lot of my time. So it's mostly work and life and stuff. It's difficult to actually do tutorials. Like if I have a day off, all I want to do is just sleep, because I've had probably 13-hour shifts in a row for a couple days or more. And when I get my day off, I'm probably cooking, trying to get as much rest as I can. And it's hard. And even if I want to do my hobbies like crochet or beads or whatever hobbies I want to learn, it's difficult to actually do tutorials on them. I'm going to give you an example right now. I'm working on this bag right here. There's this bag right here. I'm working on a tutorial for it, but I started this last week. It's taking a long time for me, and most of all, I feel very lazy. I feel tired, and that leads me to being lazy to do any sort of video, to bring up any sort of video, to do any tutorial. I find it so difficult to even set up a camera. Like right now, I just woke up from bed, bathed, dressed, and I said, let me just do this video, because I can't abandon the channel that I started. It's been a very stressful couple of months especially since I last posted, and I'm trying to come up with, like, not trying to come up, but I'm trying to create tutorials of more complicated bag designs, so that those who are like advanced beaders, and this is another topic I want to bring up, can, you know, try out new bag designs for maybe your client, your business, and whatever, and not just the regular bag designs that you know. So on that note, let me say, I think I said this before, but I don't know if I said it in the video or it was in the community tab or something, but I just want to say that starting off today or the next video, my tutorials are not going to be that beginner friendly anymore. I'm going to be putting out tutorials for people that probably I'm just like this as well, where if I don't know how to do something, I just need someone to tell me that, oh, do this, and I get it. So most of my tutorials are going to be like for intermediate or advanced bag beaders, or beaders in general, whatever beads that you want to do. So my tutorials are going to be a more intermediate to advanced, no longer beginners. Like if I tell you that, okay, to do this bag, you need to do a 10x4 mat, beaded mat, 10x4 beaded 4x4 mat, you should probably understand what I'm talking about, because my tutorials are going to be more advanced than that. So that's just another thing that I wanted to bring up. I will no longer be doing those beginner friendly videos where I say, okay, to start off you need 4 beads, pick up 4 beads, put on the fishing line, cross with the 4 bead, and pick up. You'll probably still see it in some of the videos, but I'll probably be very quick about it. If you do want a beginner friendly video, you should probably check like my previous tutorials, or I have an entire playlist which is free, if I may add. If you know nothing about beaded bags or starting beading or making a beaded mat or a 4x4 mat, a beaded handle or whatever, I have an entire playlist that I made. It's in different parts. I'll put the link down in the description box. You can learn how to bead there. It's absolutely free. You just go through the videos here on YouTube. And if anyone still wants to learn beading on a more personal level than that, I'll just say you probably have to DM me and pay for it, because I feel like I've given all the resources that I can give. If my resources are not enough, there's other beaders on YouTube that you can try. You can try tutorials by Bead with Jenny. She's has very good beader tutorials. You can try Bead with Jenny. You have I think Stitches by Lopez. She's not doing a lot of tutorials anymore, but she still has good tutorials. There's a lot of beaders. Stitches Beads collection. There's a lot of beaded bag tutorials that you can probably go and get an idea of to learn beading first, then come and try like the advanced, because I feel like this bag that I'm making is more advanced in a way. Yeah, and I've got others that I've started. And another thing that is taking me so long is because most of the new beaded bags that are coming up now that creators are creating, it takes a lot of mental energy for me to figure out how it's done. So I don't know how many times I've taken this bag down. So it's taken a while. So for those who want a tutorial on how to make this bag to make a particular bag sell to their clients, it's probably going to take me a while to figure out how it's done for me to make a tutorial on it as well. So all of those, I'm just taking them into account. It's probably going to be difficult for me to do all of this, and I'm just hoping that you guys be patient, still stick with me. I really love beading. I really love creating beads. I've got a lot of beads right there. I still buy beads, you know. I still buy beaded stuff, and I'm trying out like that. That's a very cute type of bead right there. I still have I've got a lot of projects that I've started, and probably don't want to look. That's one over there that I started, and this is another one right here that I started. So there's a lot. So I'm really trying out other styles. I feel like when it comes to my craft now, I'm heading more into like the more of the designer side than the just copy and paste make tutorial type of thing, if you understand what I mean. Like, I want to try to create new stuff as well, in as much as I'm giving you videos and tutorials of stuff that other people have made and have created, or designs that I've seen online. I also want to try to create stuff, and creating a new beaded bag design, it takes a while. It takes a lot of doing it, what you think is in your head, and you realize it's not going to turn out that way, and you have to take it all down just to start again. So it's taking a minute, that's all I'm saying. And especially with the way I work, it is a lot. But I really want to keep this channel. I love doing beads, I love creating stuff, and I'll probably have to do a similar video for my crochet channel. And I also have like a channel. I have got 3 YouTube channels now, by the way. I've got a channel where I do like stuff that I'm doing in my life, not, it's just like maybe cooking videos, me doing my own hair, say the whole process of me designing something. I just put it on that personal channel because it's not related to like maybe a tutorial for beads or a crochet tutorial or stuff like that. And I'm beginning to want to learn new crafts as well. So yeah, that is, I think, everything that I wanted to say in this video. I'm so sorry. I really apologize for the comments. I'm really I'm honestly, it feels like I don't even have time to pick up my phone to do anything. Most of the time I just want to sleep. I honestly want to sleep. So another way that I'll probably be doing like tutorials is I'll probably draw it out. I'll make a video. I just want to say this so that nobody should come to the comments for me, because it's not all the time. I'll probably have like, let me say I'll have something like this. Yeah, I've already started. Then if I want to do the video of how it starts, I'll just probably get a sheet of paper or something, and I'll be like, oh, let me just demonstrate a bit here. And I'll probably just going to be like, okay, just do a rectangle like this. And the length should be 10 rows, and the width 10 rows, and the width should be 5 rows, and you should be doing like a 4x4 beaded mat. See that? So if someone who is an advanced beginner is going to understand, and I'm obviously going to show you how a 4x4 beaded mat is supposed to look like. I'm not going to just have papers and stuff, but I'm going to actually show you, maybe in a photo form, how the mat is supposed to look like. We'll do the counting and everything, but I'm not going to say, okay, put the beads in this, put the beads in that. I feel like I'm way past that stage for now to be doing those type of tutorials, at least. So if you're new to beading or anything, try out my entire playlist on how to bead. It's like a whole course, because I even show you 3 easy beaded bags that you can do as well at the end of that course, just to give you an idea of how beads work and all those things. Yeah, so I feel like I'm going to be having more talking head videos and a lot of short tutorials. If someone just asks me, oh, how do I tuck in a fishing line? If someone wants that video very quickly, I'll post that video. It's a quick video to make than a beaded bag. If someone asks me how to attach a magnetic lock, I have got tutorials on that. But if you want a cleaner video, okay, I'm going to do that. If you want a video on different types of beads, how to know which bead is which size, how to know, like all those type of videos, I can do talking head videos like this. It's a talking head video, by the way. I can do talking head videos like this, and then I'm going to post it. So I'm not going to be completely gone from the channel, and I can actually have time to do those type of videos than to create a whole beaded bag tutorial. Yeah, so I think that is everything I wanted to say. I think that's everything. If you have any questions, please do ask them in the comment section. I really feel very bad whenever I don't post, because I actually like doing this, and I see a lot of you leave comments and send inspos that you want me to do, but I literally have no time to even do them. I even have no time to even scroll through my phone. I'm not even joking. And I'm mostly on TikTok now. Let me just say that. I'm mostly on TikTok now, and on TikTok it's like a mix of my craft and my personal life. Like, it's the mix of my 3 YouTube channels and that one TikTok profile. Like, I'm just posting. I'm literally just, it's what I'll call like me enjoying my life on social media, where anything I post, every 2 seconds I post anything. If it's beads, I'm posting it. If it's crochet, I'm posting it. Whatever new hobby, which I'm calling myself a serial hobbyist at this point, I'm posting it. Yeah, so I think that's everything that I was going to say. If I remember anything I'm supposed to say and I've not said it in this video, I'll probably just put it down in the comment section or in the description box. And I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys still stick with me, still tell other people about me. Let's get more subscribers. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I think it was in August, 1 million views on this channel, and I think just to September, was it October, I had 1,100,000 views on this channel. Thank you guys so much for that. And I think I'm at 15,000 subscribers here. Let me have a look. I don't even know, honestly. I don't even consider, I don't even use my phone this much anymore. I'm just going to check. Okay, I just had a look. I cannot believe this. We've got 17,300 of you and 1,100,000 plus views. Oh my goodness. You guys are just spectacular, honestly, because I still don't, I think this is why I like YouTube a lot, because even when you're not there, people still go and watch like your old videos, and people still subscribe and like. And also, this is the last thing I'm going to say before I leave. If you guys want to learn how to do, I'm still practicing, by the way, but I've been on YouTube for a while, but I feel like I can give that sort of advice, I think. Yeah, if you want to know how to do like a YouTube tutorial channel for your own self, you want to create videos, gadgets, overhead shots, and all those things, lightning. I'm still, especially lightning, I'm still figuring it out with lightning, but I feel like I can give some advice when it comes to lighting, not lightning. If you want to know all of that, tell me that in the comment section. I feel like I'm going to be posting that on more of my personal YouTube channel, which the name is just Siri Vanessa. That's the name of the YouTube channel, where it's like personal. I'll probably be talking about YouTube and stuff. That channel has more of talks about my faith. I'm a Christian. It talks about my faith, talks about like my daily life, cooking, me doing my hair, probably makeup stuff. Just like life is like a visual digital diary for me, and you guys can see it. So I'll probably do those type of videos on there, but I can also post it here when it comes to like doing like overhead shot tutorial videos, how to do this on YouTube, how to do that on YouTube. You guys have been so great. I can't honestly appreciate you guys enough. I've got my friend, her name is Harmony Manka. She's usually the one updating me on, oh Vanessa, you have this number of subscribers now, and I'm like, I'm not even posting. What are these people doing? Yeah, so I'm honestly so grateful. Oh my goodness, I'm so grateful. I'm going to try to be consistent by the help of God, the Holy Spirit. That's one of the things I've been praying for mostly, for consistency, because I realize that's one of the things I've got problems with. Like, I get tired and stuff, but I also have to do stuff that satisfies me wholly, and that's making these videos. So check me out on all those YouTube channels. My crochet YouTube channel is just Vanessa Stitches. My personal channel, my digital diary channel, is Siri Vanessa, and on YouTube I'm called Call Me Servant. So yeah, that is probably everything for this video. I'm sorry for all the background noise. I'm just doing this video by the window. By the way, today is, what's the day of today? Let me have a look. I'm sorry. Today is Tuesday the 14th of October 2025. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this video. Oh my god, I'm so excited to like do videos when it comes to YouTube and stuff, for anyone who has questions and all of that. So yeah, so if you've got any of those, please tell me down in the comment section. And I really hope you guys have a nice time on the channel. I hope you guys have a nice week. Today's Tuesday, it's still sort of the beginning of the week. And yeah, that is everything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully that is soon. Still working on this. Right. So you can check out all the beaders as well. If my channel is not satisfied enough for you, check out all the beaders. Like I said, I'm more of an intermediate to advanced tutorial channel gal now. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I'm sorry, I've been saying that's it for this video for a while, but I'm leaving now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I pray that God bless you, God be with you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.